Alright, quick unboxing real quick. Got my iPhone XS pre-owned with visible here. Let me see if I can get this open and show you guys. It's got a little tab thing. So I got the iPhone, hold on, it's got a sticker on it. The iPhone XS 64 gig. Hoping they had the 256 because that's what I used to have, but I guess not. See, it's probably generic charger in the box. Yeah, just a generic charger. Probably the SIM tool was down in there. And then, oh, this was for the trade-in, but I already did the trade-in. Oh well. So I guess the SIM card, I guess it's already in the device. But I just want to show that quick unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, quick update. Just wanted to show they did include the SIM card. I just didn't see it under the flap. But I'll keep you guys updated on what happens after I activate it. And I will see you guys in the next one.